Good morning, students. See, today's topic is try this. So already exercise 1.1 over. Now today's next topic is exercises try this 1-2. Okay, in that first question is what is the greatest 7-digit number? So you should write greatest 7-digit number. Yeah, greatest 7-digit number is already I told you. See, for example, greatest 1-digit number 1 times 9. So greatest 2-digit number 2 times 9. So here greatest 7-digit number is what? 7 times 9 you should write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you read ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, a lakh, 10 lakh. So greatest 7-digit number is 99 lakh 99,999. Clear? Greatest 7-digit number is what? 99 lakh 99,999. Second one, what is the smallest 7-digit number? So smallest 7-digit number is what? Totally it should be 7-digit. So for example, smallest 2-digit number 10 is smallest. 3-digit number 100. So totally it should be what? 3 digits. So smallest 7-digit number is what? 1 followed by 6 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 0. So what is the answer? 10 lakh is the answer. So if you don't know that, so if you add to largest 6-digit number plus 1, you will get smallest 6-digit number. So largest 6-digit number is what? 6 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 9 plus 1. If you add, you will get what? Smallest 7-digit number. So 9 minus 1 is 10. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carry. 10. Again 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. So what we got here? 10 lakh is the answer. Clear? So if you know, you can write directly. If you will get confused, you take next greatest number, that before greatest number. So 6-digit greatest number plus 1, then you will get smallest 7-digit number. So what is the smallest 7-digit number? 10 lakh. Got it? Now, next question. For copy down children, I'll give 2 minutes time. Next one, second one. Fill in the blanks with correct symbol. Second one, fill in the blanks with correct symbol. That is greater than, less than, or equal to. So you should fill this. Fill in the blanks with correct symbol. So now first I'll copy question, then I'll explain how to do easily. Easy and quick you can do it. That method I'll teach you. So here A question 1 0 0 0 3 4. Second, B question 3 7 4 9 6 3 8 1. Next, 94 78 93 502. Here 94 78 93 205. Last one, B1 199 98 464. 199 98 464. Okay, this is the question. Just you know, this is very easy. Main, you know that, but I will teach you some tricky method. It's where you can do it very quick. See, first step you count number of digits. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits. Here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. Both are 6 digits. Digits are equal. So if digits are equal, you should go highest place. Here highest place is 1, here also 1. Then next highest 0, 0. Both are equal. Next is 0, 0. This is also equal. Now you go to here 100 place. 0 and 4, which is greater? So no need to check all 0 and 4. 0 and 4, which is greater? 4 is greater. So obviously this is greater than this. Are you understand? Here also this one. Many they will confuse still which side is greater and which is smaller. See, this open side is what greater. This closed one, crocodile mouth, you keep in your mind. If that mouth is open, open the side greater, closed the side smaller. Clear? Now here, which sign you should write? How to read the smaller. So this is smaller than this. Understand? So here, 1,34,000 is smaller than 1,450,000. Clear? Now this is which symbol? Less than symbol. Okay. Now next one. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit. So here how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See here no need to go for comparing any number. Here 8 digit, here 7 digit. So which number? 8 digit number is greater than small. So greater side what? Open. Got it? Now this is greater than this number. First number is greater than second number. Got it? Now how to read this number? 1 times 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh crore. So 3 crore, 74 lakh, 96,381 is greater than 78 lakh, 65,413. Clear? How to read? Now next. First count digits. 1 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digit here. This side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digit. So both the sides 9 digit. So here what you should do then, highest place you should count. Compare 9 yes equal. Next one 4 equal. 7 equal. 8 equal. Now 9 equal. 3 equal. Now here 5 2 yeah. Now compare only 5 1 2 which is greater, 5 is greater. So here which sign you should cite? Greater sign opened. So this is greater. So this is greater than that. So how to read this? 94 crore 78 lakh 93,502 is greater than 94 crore 78 lakh 93,205. Clear? Now last sum. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit. This side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit. So both the sides 8 digit. So now you compare highest. Highest is what? Here 1, here also 1. 99, 99. 98, 98. 464, 464. So all the digits are equal. So what you should write? Equal, both the sides. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now copy in your classwork. So this and all no need to copy. Okay, now question number 2 over. Now question number 3. Same this one, try this question number 3. Arrange. Question number 3. Arrange the following. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order. First I'll copy question. 585 47,840 55,945. So one more number is there. $64,800. Okay, this is the question. See here, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. There's only ascending order. Ascending means what? Small to big. Increasing order. So ascending order is what? Increasing order. So here you should go small number to big number. So this also, just I'm going to rub this and then I'll explain. See here, for this also what you should do, you should see which is smallest number. First you count number of digits. So here number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 digit number. So we'll go for highest place. So highest place is what? 2, 4, 2, 5 and 6. Among this, which is small? 6 is highest among this. Here, 2, 4, 2, 5, then what? 6. So totally how many number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. In this, which is small? 2 is small. Yes or no? We'll compare 2 first. So here 20,000, 20,000 same. 585, 510. Which is small among these two? So 20,000 ascending order. So first how to write? 20,000, 585 and 510. Which is small? This is small. 510. This number over. So put tick mark or just you can this one caught it. Now next one 20,000. So after one number, just leave some space. 20,585. Now 2 over. After that, which is the small? This one. Next one 4. 4 only one number is there. So you can go 47,840. So remaining 5 and 6 you can arrange here. 47,840. Now next 4 also over. This is also over. This also over. Now only 2, 55,000, 64,000, which is smaller in the 55,945. Next one, 64,800. 64,800. Got it? See, without confusing, you can do like, if you go step by step, okay? Now, how we arrange ascending order? Just I'll read the number, 20,510. 20,585, 47,840, 55,945, 64,800. Clear? I'll give one some homework, same heading. Ascending order, this is homework question. You copy in your, this one, homework. You should do it in assignment book, homework book. Okay? I'll give homework question. See, if you are not copying classwork, at least copy homework in draft note, then you should do same heading. Arrange the right heading, arrange the following numbers in ascending order, then do the sum, okay? 3,84,651, then 98,432, sorry, 4,27,554, then 3,21,157, 92,354. Just I'll explain how to do this. See here, first step what I showed, number of digits count I told. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6 digit. Here 5 digit. So you know 5 digits are smaller than 6 digit. So first compare these two 5 digit number. So 98, 92. Which comes first, 98,000 or 92,000? So this one comes first, 92,000. Then again 98,000. Now two numbers over, remaining only 3. So all 6-digit numbers. So highest place you compare 3, 3, 4. So among these two, which is greater? 3, 3 equal 84,000, 24,000. Which is small? 84,000. So third number, this should come. Then fourth one to this, fifth one to this. Got it like that? You should do it in your homework very neatly. Got it? This is homework question. Copy in your rough note or in homework book. Heading, same heading. Okay. Now next question. Question number 5. This is fourth one. Question number 4. So same question number 4. Arrange the following number in descending order. In descending order. I'll give 2 minutes time. Copy homework, children. Notes I will get through PDF, but assignment you won't. So you copy a homework question. Next one. I'll rub just to this question. $45,000. 45,000, 64,800, 82,500, then 35,000. So easy, very easy sum this is. See here. So here you should arrange in descending order. Descending order means what? Biggest to smaller. So descending order. Descending order. Same. What are the steps I told you? You should see. Here 5 digit, 5 digit, 5 digit, 5 digit. All 5 digit. Now you should place here bigger number to smaller. Highest to increasing order, no, decreasing big to small. So here 45,000, 64,000, 82,000, 35,000. So which is great? 45, 64, 85, 82, 35. 82 is greatest number. So 82,500. First number over. 45, 64 and 35. Which is greatest? 64. So 64,800. The next. Now two numbers over. Now only 45,000, 35,000. So 45,000, 45,000. Then last 35,000. Clear? How to arrange ascending and descending order. Now try this over. You copy in your homework book this question. Other two in classwork. Next I will explain one heading and I will go for exercise 1.2. 2 minutes I'll give time. You copy up. Next heading. Forming number. Just I'll explain. Forming number by shifting digits. So this one no need to write, just first I'll explain that. Yes. See here, for example, forming numbers by shifting digits. So for example, I will take 32. So 2 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place. If I shift that place, so I will take 2 in tens place, 2 in tens place, 3 in ones place. So I found a new number, we got it 23. So if you interchange two-digit number, we'll get only one new number. Only one new number. I shifted this number to here, this number to here. We got only one new number. But if I take three numbers, for example, 145. If I take 145, 5 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, here 1 is in thousands place. If I shift, so here 1 I will take as tens place. So here ones, tens, 100. So once 1 I will take tens place, 4 in 100 place, then 5 in 1 place. So we got 450. So again I will take 5 in ones place, 5 in hundreds place, 4 in tens place, then 1 in ones place. So 545. Again, I will take 1 in hundreds place, then 5 in tens place, 4. See here, many number we can form if you interchange the 3-digit number or 4-digit number, we can get many new number. But if you interchange 2-digit number, we'll get only one. We can form only one new number. Okay, for example, 4-digit number I will take 4,372. So here ones, tens, 100, 1000. So I can take 4 in thousands place, 3 in 100 place, 2, 7. So I got it what? 3,427. Again I will take 7 in thousands place, 4, here 7, 2. So here now I will take again 7, no need to repeat. No? Which number? 3. So I will take 2 in thousands place, 200, 7, 4, 2. 3. So we will get many number if we interchange the places here. If you take only 2-digit number, we can get only one new number. We can form only one new number. If we interchange the digits of 3-digit number or more than 3-digit number, we can form many new number. Got it? For example, I will take 365. How many numbers, new numbers we can form? I will take 3 in hundreds place again. 3, 5, 6. Now 6 in 100 place. 6, 5, 3. 6, 3, 5. Now 5, 3, 6. 5, 6, 3. So 6 new number we can make. See here 365, 356, 653, 635, 536, 563. So if we take 2-digit numbers, so only 82. So I will get what? 2. This one we can interchange to 28. That's all. We can form only one number for 2-digit, but 3 or more digit number. If we interchange the place, we'll get many number. Clear? Next one is forming greatest and smallest number. Next topic is, again while doing again I'll explain this. Now if you interchange, see what 2 points you should keep in your mind. If you interchange 2-digit number, we can form only one new number. But 3 or more than 3-digit number, we'll get many new numbers. Okay, if we interchange the place. Now here, for example, next topic is forming greatest and smallest number. So forming greatest and smallest number. For example, if they give question 7, 1, 3, 9. So form the greatest 4-digit number. So greatest number, how you should form? Just arrange in ascending order. Greatest number, descending order if you go, you will get greatest number. Smallest number, if you arrange ascending order, you will get. So greatest number, by using this number, greatest number. So it's what 9 is, you should arrange descending order. For greatest number, you should arrange descending order. For smallest, ascending order. Clear? Now here, 9, after 7, 1, 3. So here, after this one, no need to place comma like this. You should place, after arranging, you should place according to periods. Ones, tens, 100. So 9,713. By using this, we form greatest number. Smallest number, arrange it what? Ascending order. So small to big. 3 and 1. 3 then 1. Sorry. So 9,731. So now if you find smallest number, see descending order 9, 731. Yeah, 9,731. Now arranging in ascending order, smallest to big, small one, 1, 3, 7, 9. Okay, now 1 stands 100,000. So 1,379. Okay, sometime you will get 0. So for example, 8045. Okay, now you should form. See, the question is what? Form greatest and smallest number. Greatest number, you know, you should go for descending order, bigger number to smaller. In this, which is big, 8, then 5, then 4, last 0. So here, after that, place comma. 8,540. Smallest number. Smallest number, I told you, you should go for ascending order. If you arrange this number ascending order, 0, 4, 5, 8. Is it correct? No, it is not correct. We can't take 0 in highest place because it has no value. So we can't take 0 in where? Highest place. So in that case, what you should do? First to take next to smallest number, 4. Then you go for 0, 5, 8. Now got it? This like this 0 we can't take in highest place. Got it? See here, forming the greatest and smallest number. See, for greatest number you should go for greatest number descending order. Smallest number you should go for ascending order. Smallest to the biggest. Then if 0 comes, we can't take 0 in highest place. So your highest place is what? 1,000. So we can't take 0 here. So you should take for next smallest number, then you add that 0. Clear? So if the question is, they are not given number. So here you got this number 713. So just if they give, make 4 digit, just if the question is, write 4 digit greatest number. So you should take greater number like 9, 8, 7, 6. So from by this you should go 9,876. Got it. If they ask smallest 4 digit number, they are not given any number. So smallest number means you should take 0, 1, 2, 3. Arrange this. So is here small 0, 1, 2, 3. Is it correct? No. Already I told 0 we can't take in highest place. So for that case, what you should do? Take next one. 1, then 0, 2, 3. Got it. Sometimes the questions, they'll give only 3. If they gave only 3 number, and if they ask form 4 digit greatest number. Okay, so in that case, what you should do? Take greater number twice. So greatest number means greater number take 2 times. 9, 9, 8, 7. If the smallest number, if they ask, in this which is smallest number? 7. So take 7 twice. 7, 7, 8, then 9. Clear now how to form? See here, what are the things you should keep in your mind for this? Forming number by shifting means if you shift 2 digit number, we can get only 1 new number. If you go for 3 digit or 4 digit, we'll get many numbers. Okay, forming greatest and smallest number, arrange greatest number, descending order, smallest number, ascending order. Clear? Now we'll go for exercise. So exercise 2.2. Sorry, exercise 1.2. Exercise. So in your classwork, take new page and write exercise 1.2, question number 1. Form the greatest and smallest 4 digit number from the given digits without repeating any digit. Without repeating any digit. Okay, first one. So in textbook, they are given 3 questions. I'll do all 3. 3, 7, 8, 9. B1, 9, 4, 3, 7. C1, 5, 6, 8, 0. Okay. Now, here I'll read heading. Form the greatest and smallest. You should form greatest as well as smallest 4-digit number from the given digit. They are given here, 4 numbers. 3, 7, 8, 9, 9, 4, 3, 7, 5, 6, 8, 0. Given digit without repeating any digit. So here they mention you shouldn't repeat. So 9, 9 2 times, 8, 8 2 times, like that you shouldn't take. So form greatest number. So greatest number means already I told greatest number and smallest number. You should form greatest as well as smallest. Okay. By using these numbers. So greatest number you should arrange how descending order. So this one. Here smallest number ascending order. That's it. So here greatest number among 3, 7, 8, 9, which is greatest 9. So 9, after that 8, then 7, 3. Okay, after this, no need to place comma after each number. So here you should place comma according to place ones, tens, 100. So 9,873. Smallest number you should arrange ascending order, smallest to big. 3, 7, 8, 9. 3,789. Got it? Same this question also. Greatest number. Greatest number, then smallest number. Here, greatest number and smallest number. Yes. Now we'll go 9, 4, 3, 7. So here, greatest number, descending order, bigger to smaller. So 9, then, so no need to place comma while writing this. Afterwards, according to period, you should place comma. 9, 7, 4, 3. 9, 7, 4, 3. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000. So smallest number, smaller 3, 4, 7, 9. Got it? Now this question, see here 0 comes. Listen carefully. 5, 6, 8, 0. So greatest number biggest to smallest. So 8, then 6, 5, 0. Okay, got it. Now smallest number. So smallest number among this 0, 5, 6, 8. Is it correct? No. Because we can't take 0 in highest place. So in that case, what you should do, take next smallest number, first 5, then add 0, then 6, 8. Got it? Understood? So here form the greatest number and smallest number, 4-digit number, they are given 4 number. So from that, without repeating, we form greatest number, smallest number. By using this, 9,873 is greatest number. 3,789 is what? Smallest number. Okay, here greatest number 9,743, smallest number 3,478. So here if it comes 0 in highest place, don't place 0 in highest place. Next number, then you add 0. Clear? Now first question over. Still many questions are there. I'll continue in next class, children. Have a nice day. Thank you.